Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to pay with Binance QR code. All right, so first up, you have two options right here. So when you go ahead over to the Binance application, when you go ahead and go to the top left, tap on three horizontal lines. Okay, you have here the standard QR code. Okay, so what you're going to do is just go ahead and look for the QR code, scan it, and then once it's scanned, okay, or once the provided QR code by the merchant or pay has been scanned, well, all you got to do is just go ahead and select the cryptocurrency you wish to use, okay? Verify the transaction details, including the recipient and amount, and then just basically follow simple prompts and your transaction is done, okay? Let's say you wanted to pay from Binance Pay. So to do that, go ahead and go to your dashboard, okay, right here. And then what you're going to do is just go ahead over to the top right, tap on this Binance Pay logo. Wait for it to load. And once it loads, here you have the QR code option as well. Now, when we tap on it, let's say you have, okay, received a QR code from the recipient, okay? So if you have a copy of that QR code, well, you can just go ahead and upload a QR code right here, okay? Tap on it, it will open up your phone's gallery. So just go ahead and select the QR code. And after that, follow simple prompts. And once done, you're good to go. Once everything is confirmed, you and the merchant will receive notifications of the successful transaction. And if the QR code fails, well, you can just go ahead and tap on Send to Binance User right here. Okay, you have that feature. Okay. Enter the email or phone or even the Binance ID and just hit on Continue. All right. And that is how you pay with Binance QR code. Well, if this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.